Which of the following is not a software process model? A. Waterfall model. B. Spiral model. C. V model. D. Binary model. The correct answer is option D. Binary model. The main aim of software engineering is A. To design hardware. B. Provide reliable software at low cost. C. To reduce the size of programs. D. To make programming easy. The correct answer is option B. Provide reliable software at low cost. Which one is the first step in the software development lifecycle, SDLC? A. Coding. B. Requirement analysis. C. System design. D. Testing. The correct answer is option B. Requirement analysis. In the waterfall model, testing is done A. After coding. B. During design. C. Before requirement analysis. D. Parallel to all phases. The correct answer is option A. After coding. Which of the following is an example of case tool? A. MS Word. B. Rational rows. C. Excel. D. Photoshop. The correct answer is option B. Rational rows. Which software model is best suited for risk analysis? A. Waterfall model. B. Spiral model. C. Prototype model. D. Agile model. The correct answer is option B. Spiral model. In software engineering, SRS stands for A. Software Requirement Specification. B. System Requirement Specification. C. Software Result Specification. D. System Resource Specification. The correct answer is option A. Software Requirement Specification. Which of the following is not a software quality attribute? A. Reliability. B. Maintainability. C. Portability. D. Electricity. The correct answer is option D. Electricity. 9. Agile model is mainly based on A. Sequential development. B. Iterative and incremental development. C. Big Bang approach. D. Prototype only. The correct answer is option B. Iterative and incremental development. Debugging is concerned with A. Finding errors. B. Removing errors. C. Both finding and removing errors. D. Documenting errors. The correct answer is option C. Both finding and removing errors. Which of the following is not a phase of SDLC? A. Requirement analysis. B. Design. C. Deployment. D. Debugging only. The correct answer is option D. Debugging only. The main focus of white box testing is A. Internal logic of the program. B. User requirements. C. System performance. D. Graphical user interface. The correct answer is option A. Internal logic of the program. Which of these is not an agile methodology? A. Scrum. B. Extreme programming, XP. C. Kanban. D. Waterfall. The correct answer is option D. Waterfall. In software project management, PERT stands for A. Program Evaluation Review Technique. B. Project Engineering Resource Technique. C. Project Estimation Requirement Technique. D. Program Engineering Result Task. The correct answer is option A. Program Evaluation Review Technique. The model where requirements are implemented in increments is called A. Waterfall model. B. Spiral model. C. Incremental model. D. Big Bang model. The correct answer is option C. Incremental model. 16. Software reliability means A. Ability to work without failure. B. Ability to change easily. C. Ability to run on any platform. D. Ability to execute fast. The correct answer is option A. Ability to work without failure. The process of converting user requirements into a software product is called A. Software design. B. Software development. C. Software testing. D. Software maintenance. The correct answer is option B. Software development. Black box testing is also known as A. Functional testing. B. Structural testing. C. Unit testing. D. Debugging. The correct answer is option A. Functional testing. Which of the following is an example of non-functional requirement? A. Login form validation. B. Password encryption. C. Response time should be less than 2 seconds. D. User profile creation. The correct answer is option C. Response time should be less than 2 seconds. Risk management in software engineering involves A. Identifying risks only. B. Avoiding risks only. C. Identifying, analyzing, and planning for risks. D. Ignoring risks until they occur. The correct answer is option C. Identifying, analyzing, and planning for risks.